Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the suit in all its glory with the shield and everything. Yeah, let's just get straight into it. So this is the cowl. I just made this by sewing it together using a pattern from Costumers for Christ. I'll link his video down below. And then I just put some cardboard on the inside and 3D printed a thing. Put it right here, spray adhesive that cardboard. And now that we're off the cowl, I'm just going to take it off and put it behind my head. Get this shield off. Just like this, because I can do it. Yeah, I just think it looks a lot cooler if I do that, but yeah. Next we can go to the shirt. So I sewed this completely. This is, the red is nylon, the white is some polycotton from Walmart. This is some like polyester type stretch from Walmart. This is some polycotton. This I just 3D printed and glued it on. One thing that I want to say about the shirt is the stripes didn't go high enough, and so when I put the belt on, the stripes are real short, so it should have gone up a lot higher. Just like, should have done something different because I don't really like how that looked that much, but I still think it looks kind of cool because the rest of the shirt looks cool. Yeah, some more polycotton. The gloves were made from some pleather I got at Walmart, and then some brown polycotton, some Velcro here. I really like how these gloves came out. They look really cool, I think. The pants, you guys saw that. It's just that stretch and the polycotton. They've got actual pockets that do work. I don't think you can see them, but yeah, they work. The shoes, okay, I just sort of ripped the pants. Got a pants seam, but the shoes, I have some gaiters that I made with the same stuff here. And some Velcro, and then some like nylon for the strap that goes around. Then I just used some snow boots. And then, yeah, I just chopped the thing down the middle on the back and put an invisible zipper there. Yeah, so the pattern that I really sort of kind of based it off of was this right here. So that's a concept art for, is it? Yeah, it's concept art for the Avengers. So yeah, I based it on that, and then the gloves, yeah, I honestly really like gloves. Let me give you guys a closer look at these gloves. I don't know why I undid that, but here's the gloves, here's the back of the gloves. Yeah, suit fits quite nicely. I really like that I could just put this thing on the back like that. But yeah, the belt, made out of the leather and the polycotton, just the brown leather and the brown polycotton. And I 3D printed a belt buckle as well as I 3D printed this, and then I just put some Velcro, and then hot glued the other side, and so yeah, straps like that. Put a zipper for the pants, just a generic pants zipper I got at Super U in France. That was an interesting store. But yes, this is the suit, guys. Yeah, honestly, I'm not too proud of it, but I think for a really quick like quarantine cosplay, since I was kind of in quarantine, it's my because my family had COVID. It's pretty cool cosplay. I think to throw it together this fast. But yeah, guys, if you like this video or found it informative in any way, don't forget to hit that like button down below, guys. Subscribe if you like my content and want to see more. Follow me on Instagram at @CalebShell or _Caleb_Shell. I'll link that in the description, guys. And you guys definitely go watch the whole series. I'll link it in the cards up here, and in the end of the video I'll link the whole playlist. Yeah, guys, comment down below any video ideas you guys would want to see me make. I'm gonna be going on vacation, but when I come back, you can I can make some more stuff, and I'll have the whole summer. I'll be done with school, so I can make some pretty cool stuff. Yeah, just comment down below, guys, and yeah, thanks for watching.